Day 3.
Day 3. It's a good thing that none of us drank very much last night.
And I think that's a good thing to start this morning to make up for it.
Right. You mean like that? Trevor, how are you today?
Doing great.
Yeah.
Finally got some nice weather.
Trevor's the best guide ever. We need to catch how many kings? 8? Catch 8 king salmon today. That's our limit. We gotta hit it.
Get your net.
John,
okay, hang
the
on.
first king of the day.
Got him.
Johnny John.
All right.
All right, 1 down, 7 to go. Another king for John. John is just on frickin' fire. I got a silver.
Got a boy.
About halfway through the day. How many do we have? 15? Everybody having a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
In the rain.
I got one on the line. Mark has one on the line. John has one on the line. Jerry's over there in the corner. All lonely. Very lonely. Got the halibut.
That's the halibut.
Say
I got
it
the
again.
halibut. I'll pick it up, I tell you.
I want him to jump up. Come on, dude, jump out of the water for me. Yay.
All right.
Jerry, getting on the board here.
Yeah, look at how nice he is.
Headache time. All right, we're back in the same location we were yesterday, where the eagle kind of swooped down and grabbed one of our fish. So we're going to see if he'll do it again. We got to catch a what do we catch? A rockfish. We got to. That's what apparently Eddie the eagle likes. Our rockfish.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
So amazing.
There he is.
Oh, he missed it! Oh, you get a second shot.
Now he's coming right over us. He's coming around. He's coming around.
Coming in. There he goes.
It was incredible. We had a rockfish on the line over here. We just kind of left it out there, and the eagle came by, tried to grab it once, missed it. He comes back around and grabs it and takes off. And then I got to follow him. I followed him way up into the trees up there, but I left him alone because I should. And now we're just pulling in rockfish like crazy. All right, we've been here what, like 4 minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. We got all this. Another one going
I can almost net the
there.
leg.
Another one going in the bucket. Fast and furious and a lot of fun.
Got one now.
What the hell is it?
Wait. You got to get that. Don't pull them apart.
All right, so the lingcod is huge, and it's got a rockfish in its mouth. Rockfish is what's hooked.
Wow, unbelievable. Nice. This is the bait that I do, and so the fish ended up grabbing a hold of my bait, and then this other fish grabbed grabbed a hold of it and held on to it.
That's a really nice cod. Look at that. Wow.
There it is.
We've caught about 16 of these in about 10 minutes, and I have one on my line right now. I gotta put this down. Number 20, because we can only have 20. All right, now we're going to go for what? What are we going for, Trevor? Halibut. Halibut.
And I'm not so sure why you've been looking at the camera. The
Me neither.
Alan's head looks so big, and mine looks so small.
And you can see the snot coming out of my nose,
That's
too.
right. That's right.
Well, you know what? Jerry's doing what he does.
Because he's professional.
He's a professional. I am a professional.
And John has had to resort to, oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Beer. We're going 300 feet down. You can see right there, we're at 130, 200, 250. Hit the bottom at 250. Been here about 3-4 minutes, and Mark has one.
Okay, here's what I do when they're catching a fish. I rub their shoulders,
Really?
make them loose.
Give them a massage.
Just kind of get them loose so that they can stay with the fish. They can feel the fish.
I can feel the fish.
Absolutely.
Somebody's mad.
Something is on there. All right, last fish of the trip, and Mark's got it. If he can bring it up to the surface, so you got
Just 220 feet. That's,
220 feet to go.
oh, it's got to stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on.
Hopefully this will be a happy conclusion to the trip. Bring it up.
Okay, 90 feet.
Ooh, wow, you're having to work.
He does not like coming up.
Like, if you don't give a good ending to my video, I'm gonna throw you over. Here he comes. That's pretty good size. That's a nice one.
Nice.
Look at there.
Who said 20 pounds?
25 pounds.
I said 20. Yeah.
How you feeling there, buddy?
Good job.
Good, good. That was good. Good.
Congratulations.
Nice job, Alan.
Nice.
Fish Slayer, Alan.
Oh, and the King Slayer, John.
There we go.
King Slayer.
It's good, man.
Absolutely.
That was good.
Trevor, my man, you are the best.
Hey, good job, boys.
The best. Oh, a little bit of man love going on over there. Do you want to trade rooms later tonight, or? Here we go, day 3.
Day 3, getting it done.
Everybody happy?
Alan, you need to get the video of that. That thing's in there. Inside the lingcod is the fish that caught the fish.